Hey guys, welcome to our Fort Wilderness car room tour. So first we get a golf cart because it's fun to ride around and do all the things like go to the beach and go do some Fort Wilderness hunting. And then here's our little shade canopy. We just got back from the pool. You know, 2 chairs, well, 1 chair, 2 seats. Sometimes I tell Jeremy not to sit too close to me because it's very hot out here. But our little stools, and then, so if anybody remembers, we started out in the truck with the gate closed. Then we added a tent that gave Jeremy a little extra room that was just off the back. Now we have added a full tent off the back. So same goes for the back. Leaves the hatch up. It's like our living room. So we can get dressed, obviously with the windows up and whatnot. Standing up, Jeremy has plenty of room to stand up. We have table, we have fans all around. You know, it's just so great. We could put a little couch in here, maybe blow up one day, we'll see. Right now it's nice. We don't need it because it's so hot. Still sleeping in the back of the truck, which this has the air mattress, which if you're up off the ground, fan in there, some fairy lights hung, but it's so much better. So if you have to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, you just come out. And we also ask to be near a comfort station because of that reason. So yeah, it's just super nice to change into anything. Change, period. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed it.